Push the button to play, brag about blunting and you're puffing away. You got nothing to say, all you do is throw shade. Why you up in the way? Why you fucking the game? 16 tracks, ain't got nothing to say. Knew something was fake. New age, mama got nothing but praise. Gone. Every rapper is a battle. Every battle is a battle. Every rapper got a taboo. Every queen got a battle. Every rapper is a battle. Every battle is a battle. Every rapper got a talent. Every queen's got a battle. Ask any dude if you wanna know. Ask any who's they confident. Yeah, remember who would've thought of this? 24/7, ever been out in the sign. 92 in my conscious shit. Never see so many. Tell them who's part of this shit. Tell them who's a part of it. No such thing, can't see the art of it. Yeah, I'm a modern anomaly. If we talk lyrically, I got a monopoly. If we talk spiritually, I got the prophecy. I'm doing it consciously, accomplish if I can possibly. Only smoke quality broccoli.